The B chord is one of the most frustrating bar chords for beginners. If you've ever tried playing it and felt like your fingers just won't cooperate, don't worry, you're not alone. The full B bar chord can feel impossible at first, but today, I'm going to show you an easier way to build up to it step by step. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the strength and confidence to nail the full B chord. Let's jump in. If you're struggling with the B bar chord, here's an alternative, the B7 chord. It's easier to play and still works in the most songs that require B. Place your index finger on the first fret of the 4th string. Place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Place your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Place your pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. This gives you a bright bluesy sound, making it a great substitute for B major. This version of B uses 4 fingers, but no bar. Here's how to play it. Place your index finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Place your middle finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. Place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Place your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Then strum all strings except the 6th and 5th string. It has that B chord sound, but without the bar. Once you're comfortable with that, let's take it a step further by adding some extra support with your index finger. Use your index finger to lightly mute the 5th string. Keep playing the same shape as before. This prepares your hand to start getting used to the positioning of the bar chord without fully committing yet. Alright, now that your hand is familiar with the shape, let's add the full bar. Use your index finger to bar the 2nd fret. Place your middle finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string. Place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Place your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Strum all strings except the 6th string. And there you have it. You've gone from beginner-friendly B chords to the full bar B. Also, you've learned a great alternative chord, which is the B7. If it still feels tough, keep practicing the easier versions, and your fingers will build up to the strength over time. If you found this lesson helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which version you're using. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.